Let's walk through a real-world scenario of adding a new customer to Visp. It's a simple, efficient process that will save you time and effort.
Hi, my name is Alex, and I'm interested in signing up for your service.
Great, Alex. Let's get you started. Can you tell me your full name and address? The CSR enters Alexander's information into Visp's user-friendly interface. Address is set to 2944 Highland Avenue, Grants Pass, Oregon. As part of the process, the CSR clicks the Qualify button to check service availability at Alex's address. Visp quickly determines that service is available and suggests potential service plans. With the customer's information entered, the CSR creates a new ticket for an on-site installation. They assign a technician and add a brief description of the work to be done. The ticket is assigned to a technician. Once the installation is complete, the CSR can add the customer's credit card information to the account. As you can see, Visp simplifies the entire customer onboarding process. From initial contact to final payment, every step is streamlined and efficient. With Visp, you can quickly add new customers, manage their accounts, and provide excellent customer service.